Wait, I'm really making a YouTube video. That is so crazy. Y'all, I have been putting off doing YouTube for so long. It's really crazy. I was just at a place where I just felt like I didn't have everything that I wanted to start my channel. I didn't want to have to do it. So I know that I wanted to get likes, I wanted to get all of this stuff, and it was just kind of like I never did that. I never got up to do that. So it was just kind of, the days were just passing me by and I was procrastinating basically. I was like, girl, look, I don't know what you're waiting on, but you need to start, because this is something that you have been wanting to do forever. And it's just kind of like, I love YouTube. And I wanted it to be a way for me to be able to express my creative side with other people. I wanted to create content for other people to enjoy, you know, for pure like entertainment. It's kind of just like, even with me, like I enjoy watching YouTube videos more than I like watching regular TV. So I mean, for some people they might be like, girl, what? But for me, that's what I like. I'm here to do a get to know me. I'm gonna answer some questions so that you all can get a better understanding of who I am, and I just want to be able to, you know, connect with you all. I'm about to go ahead and get into it. First question: what is your full name? My name is, I go by Jermani Mion. Most people don't know what the Mion part is for. Most people just think maybe it's her last name. Most people think it's a made-up name, but I'm not going to disclose my last name. But a lot of people know my real last name, but Jermani Mion is my real name. Next question: where are you from? I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. What is my biggest fear? I don't know. I got a lot of fears. Dogs. I don't like dogs, but I don't know. All right, what inspires you? A lot of stuff inspires me. I think struggle inspires me a lot. Because it really just motivates me. Like, I just know that I want a lot in life, and so it's kind of just like anything that I see some bad going on in, I look at it as motivation, because it kind of just makes me feel like, damn, or I know I don't want that, so I'm gonna do whatever I need to do so that I can not be in that situation. What is your favorite sport? I'm not really into sports like that. I mean, I like sports, but maybe dance. That's probably a sport. But nah, I'm really not into sports like that. So I really don't have a favorite. I know dance is not a sport. But next question: what was your favorite subject in high school? My favorite subject was math. Are you scared of heights? No, I am not. I actually enjoy the thrill of heights. I like to, when I go to theme parks and stuff, like I really love to get on roller coasters. The bungee jumping situation, I don't know about that. I'm a little scared of that. Who is the worst boss you ever had? The place that fired me. I had never been fired from a job before, and this one particular job, they fired me. I'm not going to say the name of the place, but it was a restaurant that I was working at. They fired me because they said somebody complained because their food was taking too long. Like, what that have to do with me though? I didn't understand that, but okay. Do you sing in the shower? I sing in the shower, I sing in the car, I sing in the living room. Do you believe in love at first sight? No, I don't think I believe in that. I've never experienced love at first sight. I mean, I had guys that I looked at for the first time and I was like, oh damn, but I wasn't in love. It was just like they had like, I like how he looked, but yeah, no love at first sight. So no. What is your sign? My sign is an Aries. I'm an Aries. What is something you look for in a partner? A lot. Just joking. But I mean, I'm serious at the same time. But I look for someone who I can trust. Like, I have to be able to like trust you in order to really be with you. Trust is very important in a relationship, so I just feel like if I can't trust you, then I'm most likely not going to be with you. But what scares you about aging? Wrinkles. I don't want to grow up. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely not a morning person, but I do want to start getting up early because I want to just start this little change in my life. Like I really want to start getting up, being able to make me full breakfast in the morning, be able to work out, get my day started really early so I can feel like I've accomplished more throughout the day. Like I'm the type of person I get up at 12 p.m. and be like, good morning. What is the first app you check when you wake up in the morning? Soon as I wake up, I turn over and Instagram. Instagram is the first thing that I open on my phone. So I don't know, it's just addictive. It's either Instagram or my email, really. But Instagram is really the first thing that I open up on my phone. What was your first ever cell phone? My first ever cell phone was a Nokia, I think. Yeah, it was a Nokia. But I was just so happy to have a phone. I didn't care how the phone looked. I was like, ha, I got a cell phone. Like, girl, yes. But nah, it was a little small Nokia. Okay, next question. Who is your favorite celebrity? Queen B, Beyonce. What is your favorite snack? My favorite snack, I would say I love lemon Oreos. I really love lemon Oreos. Next question, what is your favorite drink? My favorite regular drink is a Blue Powerade. My favorite alcoholic drink is Hennessy. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Taken. How tall are you? I am 5'3". Do you have any pets? No, I do not have any pets. I don't like pets. I would probably never get a dog. I would probably never get a cat. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll grow out of my fears, but I really don't like, I don't know. It's not that I don't like them, but it's just like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of scared of dogs. And pets, I don't like cats. But one day maybe I'll get over the fear. It's just, I don't know. I'm just not a pet girl. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to sit here and watch my get to know me video. Be sure to subscribe down below to my channel. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll have many videos coming soon. But I do want to thank you all for rocking with me for my first video. I appreciate it. But yeah, I'll see you all for the next video. Bye.